7 Steps to Implement Reliability-Centered Maintenance, Part 2. Step 3, Define the ways in which the system can fail. In Step 3, the objective is to list all of the ways that the function of the system can fail. For example, the conveyor belt may fail by being unable to transport the goods from one end to the other, or perhaps it does not transport the goods quickly enough. Step 4, Identify the root causes of the failure modes. With the help of operators, experienced technicians, RCM experts, and equipment experts, the root causes of each of the failure modes can be identified. Root causes for failure of the conveyor could include a lack of lubrication on the rollers, a failure of a bearing, or a loosened belt.